These two are putting a romance. It's so beautiful. It really is. Just they're in love, and look what's going on. It's beautiful to watch. Courtship. She's accepting. It's a sign of a romantic. Bit of budgie love. I think it's beautiful. So many reasons. I absolutely love animals. This is what animal husbandry is all about. Enjoying these moments. And then this moment leads to hopefully a family starting. So everybody, yeah, it's a beautiful thing. I think it's so cute personally. I really do. So cute. So beautiful. Gotta love it. There you go. They're doing their feeding. Budgie foreplay. Oh, it's so beautiful, so cute. The fact that he's accepting means that they're falling in love. Welcome to the animal kingdom. It's a really beautiful thing. It really is. She's making her man, you know. Courtship of two beautiful creatures. Anyway, there you go. Enjoy.